What is up, everybody? My name is Josh and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, today we are inside of our kitchen. It's a super simple recipe, but this is probably one of the best meatloafs that I've ever had in my life. All right, gas stove on, bell pepper, carrot, garlic, celery, and some butter. And I'm just gonna soften this up. I'm not cooking it, I'm just sweating it a little bit in the butter. All right, our tablespoon of Old Bay, our tablespoon of garlic salt, just starting with a half of cup of the breadcrumbs. Perfect. So now it's time to reincorporate our veg and our garlic. Now that's ready to get covered with tinfoil. 50 minutes, 50 minutes at 425. Just pulled it out of the oven. You can see it shrunk down a little bit. It got crispy on the top, leaving that tinfoil off the last 10 minutes.
I'm excited. I love this meatloaf.